Make a quick and simple oven-baked snack that everyone will love. Start by covering the bottom of a platter with tomato sauce. Then we'll place the slices of bread. We'll cover them like this if you need to cut them into smaller pieces. Next, we'll spread on some ricotta cheese or mayonnaise. Then add slices of ham, then grated mozzarella cheese. Add slices of tomato. This will make our snack much tastier. Add a little more tomato sauce and we'll add another layer of bread. Repeat the process. Spread some curd cheese. Then add slices of ham mozzarella cheese. And let's decorate it with slices of tomato and pepperoni. And look how delicious it will be. Add some olives and oregano to give it a touch of flavor. And we'll finish off with some cream cheese in a tube to give it a little charm to our pie. Now just bake it at 200 degrees for 15 minutes and it's ready. People, look how delicious it is. This snack is very quick and practical. It's well worth making. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.